Today we are in Hove in East Sussex and we're installing a water softener. And first thing that I needed to know to be able to start the job is to find out the location of the stopcock. And on this occasion, it's turned out to be underneath the stairs. So what we've got here is the bypass valve, and what happens is the hard water travels through here. Can't go past this point because this is switched off, so the hard water is forced to travel through this pipe to the water softener, becomes softened, and then travels all the way back again. This little valve that we've got here is a valve which is taking a hard water feed for the filter tap that we've put on, and it is as simple as that. So underneath the stairs where we found the stopcock, we put all our necessary piping in and our pipe work, and we brought it through to the kitchen here. It's very easy, simply just popped it through the wall, and here we are. I've already made the existing connections already, so we've got the drain line here which runs to drain, we've got the overflow warning pipe which will run outside, we've already got the inlet connected, so all it is now is just the outlet. Put a little nip up either side. There we go, quick check over, and that is it. And job done. I've got a hard water test kit here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour out some hard water to the 10mm mark line, and I'm going to drop this agent in, and first thing that's going to happen is the water is going to turn reddy pink, and the idea is that we keep adding drop by drop of this regen agent to the water until it goes from pink to blue. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, Brighton water for you, 12, there we go, 12. So that's approximately 240 to 260 parts per million there, so it's very hard as you can see. And with our lovely soft water here, which is already flowing neatly through the pipes, the same measurement, 10mm, as I hold it up, 1 drop, and it's turned blue straight away. So we know that we've got 100% soft water.